What's up, guys? How's it going today? Walmart is reportedly getting ready to roll out thousands of new robots inside of their stores. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to hit the like button. If you're new here, also consider subscribing. We're a new channel and we're growing, and it's greatly appreciated. Thank you. So a report from Yahoo Finance today details how Walmart is planning to roll out thousands of robots into their store locations like this year, coming very soon. These robots will be in addition to the existing self-checkout kind of such forth. Some of the tasks that these robots will be doing, or the jobs that they'll be replacing, consist of cleaning floors and doing janitorial duties. They're going to be stocking shelves. They're going to be scanning inventory, looking for items that need to be replaced or are mislabeled and such forth. They're going to be preparing online pickup orders. Walmart's really been pushing into that business side. They'll actually be in the back of the store unloading trucks and sorting and inventorying things along those fronts as well. Like I said, that's in addition to the self-checkout that's already kind of been taking over cashier positions slowly but surely at the store. Now, they claim that this could be good for workers, that it's going to make tedious tasks quicker. I'm not so sure about that. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. They also say that this will make workers' jobs more fun, and they cite the fact that these robots will even play music. Now, when you are walking through an aisle in Walmart in the next year, if you're in Walmart, prepare to encounter a robot. Just be nice to robots. They may one day, control every part of our society, so be nice to them. Be friendly. My friends, what do you think about Walmart becoming overrun with robots, replacing the jobs of humans? Possibly. Or does it create new jobs? Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, it's good to talk to you. Adios, amigos.